Hi guys, welcome back for another video. Today I have a quick little mini haul for you guys. I have 3 albums that have come in the mail and I've decided to unbox them all in one video because they have been out for a while now. So the first album I have here is Ace's 3rd mini album, The Mad Squad. And then I have TXT's first studio album, The Dream Chapter Magic. I have the Arcadia and the Sanctuary version. So I think I'm gonna start with this one first. So I've already taken everything out. This photo book is so pretty. I was going through it the other night and I was complaining how short it was. I just really wanted more pictures to look at. But this era for them, I feel like every era, it just gets better and better. So if you guys don't stan Ace, you definitely should. Donghoon, oh my gosh. He's definitely a bias wrecker. This era I picked a bias finally. Chan is my bias, but Donghoon seems to come after me a lot. I really love Byungkwan's little Harley Quinn hair. And then I guess Wow is supposed to be the Joker. And then we have the vampire baby. Oh my gosh, he looks so good with his berets. I love this whole concept and I'm super upset because the intro is so good with, I think is it Leah Kim? Sorry if I mispronounced that, but I watched it and I was just so shook. And when I started watching reaction videos, not a lot of people were reacting to the intro, only like a few, but it is such a good intro and it's just so creepy. I don't know, I was hoping more of the songs would be along with the creepy vibe, I guess. Slow Dive is a really good song. All the songs on this album is really good. And I'm so happy that we have a Take Me Higher, the complete version. And here we have some behind the scenes. He's so cute with his pouty face. Oops. They're such a funny group behind scenes. He's so beautiful, oh my gosh. Okay, and that's the credits. And then here is CD with the track list. So I did pre-order this album, so I got the pre-order card. But first, you get this, I think this is a tattoo set. I'm not really sure what this is. I think these are tattoos, but you get that. And then for the pre-order card, this is what the back looks like. And I got Donghoon and I'm so surprised that I got him. I was definitely hoping for Chan, but my luck with pulling my biases is very bad. And then I can't believe I pulled him. I really like the backs of these photo cards. I pulled both of these guys in their first mini album, I think. Yeah. Hold on, let me check. Yep, so I pulled both of their cards and I think this was their first mini album. But these aren't well, there was no pre-order cards, I don't think. These were the photo cards that came with the album. So yeah. I don't know if I'll be going and buying Chan's cards because they are super expensive online. Next, I'm gonna unbox my TXT albums. I was really excited to get these albums. I had been waiting a while to get them because I had been saving up for SuperM so I can buy merch. But in this, you get some glasses, which you can use on the photo cards, I think. You have this ad. We have some stickers here. Sorry about that, give me 1 second. I had a phone call and I had to tell her I had to call her back. But you get some stickers here. They're different shapes. Don't know if I'll use them, but get that. And then here is the photo book. I'm just gonna quickly go through it. Okay, and then here are the songs and lyrics. Sorry if I'm going really fast. I don't want this unboxing to be too long. We have thanks to, and then the CD is sitting in the back. I'm gonna quickly go through the other version and then I will show you my pulls. So here is this version. So again, you get stickers. I'm not gonna open this set. And then here's the photo book. The lyrics and the credits and everything, and then the CD is in the back. Oh, I won't close. There we go. And then the track listing is also on the back of the photo book. So now for my pulls. So for the first one, I got SuperM, and if anyone knows, I don't want to say he's my bias, but he's definitely close. I love him to pieces. So I got his little book thing. And then I got Yeonjun's little ID card, which is super cute. And then on the back, you can use the glasses for that. So that is super cute. And then these are sticky notes. Definitely don't know if we'll use those. And then I got Hyunin Kai for my big photo card. So that's what I got for this one. And for my other one, I got Taehyun, and he has been really shining this comeback. I don't know if I'm the only one who's noticing that, but in new rules in some of their stages, like he just has such, I don't know, his presence. But I got SuperM, yay! So I'm just missing his big photo card. And then I got Beomgyu. So I technically pulled all members, which is awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!